Today we are in Houghton Lake, Michigan, and we are about to rent a pontoon and take it out on the lake. We rented the pontoon from the Heights Marina and Boat Rental because they were the only place that actually answered the phone and had boats to rent, even though it was a weekday that we went out. The rental process was quick and easy, and we were quickly in the pontoon and headed out to the water. The forecast for the day was supposed to be rainy with thunderstorms, but we took the risk of renting the pontoon regardless and headed out to the lake. You can see from the overcast skies that it wasn't an overly sunny day. However, it was supposed to be up in the mid-70s, and we wound up getting pretty sunburnt anyways. As we set out, we didn't really have a specific starting point. We really just drove around until we found a spot that we thought we wanted to start and figured we'd work our way around the lake from there. This pontoon did not have a fish locator or any other high-tech equipment with it, so we were pretty much on our own. I had downloaded some maps of Houghton Lake, so I could use that for a guide to try to find some of the deeper holes. But I was really surprised by this lake at just how shallow and weedy it was. There were spots that were 8 feet deep of water, but the weed line was only 1.5 to 2 feet down. And even right out in the center of the lake, we drove through a ton of weeds. This will be our first fish of a very long day so far. What'd you get? Looks like a big old bluegill. Oh damn, that is a big old bluegill. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so you just stick the bobber down inside its mouth here, straight down. Hold the line tight to the bobber and just start twisting the fish. And eventually the hook just wraps right around the bobber and slides right out. And you throw it right back in. Bam! Unharmed, unscathed. Yep. It's a bass. Ooh, might not be able to lift it with this pole. And this light line. Thank you, sir. Look at that. I was just getting ready to change this lure out too. I just had it dangling in the water. I was going to put on a minnow. Come on, I feel it. Look at that. Second fish of the day. Man, we really fished hard today. We fished for about 7 hours non-stop. We were casting crankbaits, we were casting jerkbaits, we were bobber fishing, we were trolling, we tried minnows, we tried night crawlers, we tried just jigging off the edge of the boat. We tried so many fishing methods all at once and all throughout the entire day in so many different locations. And at the end of all of it, we caught 3 fish. We caught the one nice bluegill, we caught the one decent sized little bass, and then we caught a very small perch that we actually thought at first was one of the minnows we had on for bait. Overall, after all of that, it's still a great time to be out on the lake, especially when your forecast was for stormy weather and you wound up having really nice partly cloudy skies, very light wind, next to no waves out on the lake. It was really just a great day to kick back and enjoy and relax on the water. We'll definitely go out again on this lake. Hopefully, the next time we visit this lake, we have our own bass boat and we're not reliant on renting a pontoon. But even that kind of just adds to the relaxing bit of being out there when you've got a pontoon that you can just kick back and chill on all day long. After leaving Houghton Lake, we did go back to our cabin, and we decided to cast a few times off our dock to just entertain the dogs for a while since they were cooped up inside all day. Willow loves to just sit there and watch us cast and cast and cast. Doesn't care if we catch anything, and this is what happened. there we go. You see the fishy, Willow? See the fishy? And away it goes. Got himself around some lily pads. Putting up a better fight than the last little bass. Yeah, swimming right towards us now. Oh, is it a pike? Oh no, it's just a nice bass. Oh, I thought we had a net down here.
We do not.
Watch this, Willow. Dang! Say he's barely even hooked.
Mm-hmm. That's a good one.
Willow, give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. And then we let it go. Oh, here comes Bruno to give it a kiss real quick. Come here, Bruno. See the fishy? He's like, nope. Here. Okay, let him go. Yay! You want to make a couple casts? Nice.
Oh, shit.
Nice. Wear him out.
He's not bad. He's coming in now.
Nice jump though. Yay! Go ahead and get him right up. You can just pick him right up. The little one, that's a decent bass. I'll unhook him if you just want the camera shot. No? Smile. Very nice fish.
Finally, one of the day.
Nice. Look at the fishy. Smack.
Is that the same one I just put back in there?
Keep spinning. We actually did have a nice little storm front moving into the area. The weather was nice and calm right now this evening, and it was the perfect time of day for some top water surface lures. I was just chugging that thing along and catching bass after bass. So at least the entire day fishing wasn't a waste. The dogs got to enjoy some of it, and we had a great time that evening catching some largemouth bass on our lake up at our cabin.